What's up guys, I'm Henry from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and today we're working on a 2011 Porsche Boxster S. So this car has the original Bose audio system with the factory radio. So what we did is we upgraded the radio to the Kenwood DMX809S. It has a really nice cool radio. It's wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's a 6.8-inch screen, so it's a really nice high quality screen display, so it looks really good, very high resolution. So this is the Kenwood eXcelon series, so you get 2-year warranty on this model compared to the 1-year warranty with the regular Kenwood series radios. So if you do want to purchase this radio, we do have a link down below where you can purchase it, and use the code YT to get a special discount. And if you're in the local area in Santa Clarita or in the LA County area, we can also install this radio for your car. So come by and check us out, Santa Clarita Auto Sound.